How to reset Amazon Prime Video password. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can reset your forgotten password on Amazon Prime. In order to reset your password, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now go ahead and open up your Prime Video application. After that, you'll be directed to the home page or the sign in or sign up interface. You'll be directed to sign in or sign up interface. If you don't have an account, then click on new to Amazon and create a new one. And if you already have an account, then you can see right on top you have to provide in either your email address or a phone number and a password. In our case, since we have forgotten our password, or since we are trying to reset a password, click on forgot password, which is right on top. After that, you'll be asked to provide in the email address or the mobile number that is associated with your Amazon account. Type in the email address and click on the continue button, which is right at the bottom. So a verification code or an OTP will be sent to the following email address or the registered email address. So all you need to do is open up your email. As you can see, in my case, I've received a reset OTP or the OTP. Now you'll need to copy this OTP. After that, click on the continue button, which is right at the bottom. Here you go, that you'll be able to create a new password. Now type in the new password. In order to confirm it, you'll need to retype in twice. Also make sure to go through the criteria mentioned below. Click on the save changes button, which is right at the bottom. After that, here you go, that the password has been successfully changed. Now you can log in with your newly or updated information. As you can see that I'm logged in, and that is how you can reset your forgotten password. In case if you want to change your password, then in this way you can reset your Prime Video password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.